You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. This is the name of Irish origin, Irish Gaelic, meaning to seek. It's also the name of a city in Wyoming, United States. The most common pronunciation in English, Sheridan. Sheridan. The stress is on the first syllable. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Sheridan, not Sheridan or Sheridan. Sheridan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.